So yeah, starting from the scratch, and first of all you need to do is just go to your trading view and log into your account. I just skip all of the basic part here, like the login and buying premium if you want. So first of all you need to do is just go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use, and go to trading view and sign into your account. And after that, once you are on the chart, so let's just go through all the chart here and let's see what we have. So on the right side we have the watch list, so you can just select and add to your favorite of all of the coins or forex or futures or stock, whatever you want. You can just select here and add it to your favorite, and you can analyze it later, or you can just keep an eye on their prices. Now here we have a BTC and Ethereum, and I have selected BLZ and voxel uh, by custom here. And so let's just go to BTC here as I've selected it. So let's see what we have on the chart here. So first of all, on the right side we have price scale here, and on the bottom we have the date scale here. So you can see whatever the price was on the particular time frame, on the particular time. And on the bottom here, as you can see, we have a tons of candles here, like green candle, red candle. So these candles are basically shows the volume here, and you can just see whatever the volume was that in the market at the particular time frame or at the particular candle here. Now, what are these? What are these green and red things we have here? So let me just select the brush here, so I can use my brush on the chart so that it will be more clear to you what I'm talking about. So the first one we have here is are these red candles and these green candles. Now the green candles are actually the positive colors, and it basically shows that the price was in the positive move on that particular time. And once we see the red candle, it means the price was on the negative side. And as you can see, when we formed the green candles here, so the price moved to the upside. But when we dumped, when we went down, so the price moved down with the red candle. And now let's see how these candle forms, and how these candles are made, right? So let me just zoom in so it will be more clear to you. And let's just use the brush again. So what are these filled part? You know, the filled color. These are called the body of the candle. And what are these? As you can see, in most of the candle we have here. So these are called wicks. Now, what are wicks? Basically, the price of the Bitcoin went up or went down, but the candle closes opposite of the wick side. So that's why the wicks are formed. Now here, let me just tell you. Now let's see this candle. All right, let's see this candle. So this candle, when this candle got opened, as you can see, the price went a bit upside to the upside here, and we formed the wick here. Alright, the price closes below, but the price went up at the particular time. And when the price moved down, we went to the around 35,600. But when it was a closure time, the BDC closed above, so it formed the wick. Alright, so the body part is actually where the candle got opened and got closed. And as you can see here, we have the candle, the first candle here, and the second candle got opened here, just right when the previous candle got closed. Alright, so the first one, so the second candle got opened here, and it went down, but it didn't close here. It went up again and it closed here. So that's why we have the wick form here, right? You know what is the wick? So another thing that I'm going to tell you, that this is the basic of the candle. We have a lot of candle in the chart. We can use whatever chart you want. You can use whatever candle you want as per your analysis. but this one is the basic one, which is the Japanese candle, and that's about the chart. Let's see what we have on the top side and what we have on the left side, which are tools and some of the most important features of the trading view, which are really important when you're analyzing the market. So let's start with the top side, of course. So we have the search. You can search whatever you want. You can search your favorite crypto. Let's see. I'm gonna search BTC USDT perpetual contract. Now, uh, I was using the normal BTC USDT on the Binance, and you can see here right side we have the exchange, what exchange you're going to get analyzed, and here we have Binance, Bybit, OKX, Maxi, BitGet. So I'm gonna select Binance here, right? All right. So yeah, that's about the search bar. On the right side of the search bar, we have time frames. Now, how the time frame works? Basically, we have a lot of time frames here. In the second, we have 1, 5, 10 second, 15 second, 30 seconds. In the minute section, we have 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, and 30. And in the hours, we have 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 days, 1 day, 1 week. We have a lot of time frames here. It actually depends on your analysis. So when you're doing a analysis on the high time frame, like if you are predicting the market for the next 5 months, 4 months, 6 months, obviously you're gonna select the high time frame, which is 1 week, 1 month. But if you're going to predict the market move for the next couple of hours or minutes, so you're gonna use minutes or hour time frame. So let's just select 4 hour here, and let's see what we have here. All right, so let's just select 2 hour, which is the basic one. Most of trader use 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hours. All right, now just right to the time frame section, we have candles. As I told you, we have a lot of candles. You can use any candle you want, but the most basic one and the most popular one is the Japanese normal candle, which is I've actually selected. Another version of the Japanese candle is hollow, which is a kind of fancy than the Japanese candle, but um, yeah, you can use it. You can use the hollow one or the normal one. On the right side, we have indicators. Now, indicators are basically preset. It is actually coded by different people, and it actually gives you more advanced data to your crypto chart, and it will be really easy for you to analyze the market. And after that, we have alert section. Now, what is alert section? Like, obviously, you cannot watch the market 24/7. Let's see, the price is now 36,700, around that. And when the price drops to 36,600, I want TradingView to alert me so that I can like manage my trade on time. So now let's see what we have on the left side of the TradingView, of course. So we have some of the most important tools here that we use to analyze the market. So I'm just gonna quickly go through all of them so that you can like be familiar with all of the tools that I'm gonna be using in the next video. And in the next video, I'm gonna be talking about market structure. I'm gonna be talking about how you place the order. I'm gonna be talking about how you can actually get the best rent in the market and you can predict the next move of the market. So on the left side, the first section we have is the cursor, of course. Now you can select your cursor whatever you want, whatever you like. Second one we have is the trend line tools. For the trend line tools, I'm just gonna go through with the basic trend lines like this one, the trend line, and the parallel channel and the regression trend. Now, how you make a trend line is you just use it to basically give a trend to your market. Now, as you can see, I have drawn a trend line on my chart, and as I'm just going to tell you how the market structure work here by using the trend line. So let me just select my brush here. Now, as you can see, I just selected the trend line here. So as you can see how the market is respecting my trend line. As you can see, we got respected here. The market went up, more up, and we dumped to the trend line and got respected here, and we are moving towards upside. Now, what could happen here? If the market breaks this trend line, we can go down to this level. right? But what if the market respect this trend line? So what we're gonna see, uh, we're gonna see more up in the market, and we're gonna test the upper trend line that I'm gonna make it later. So that was just the basics of the simple trend line. We have a lot of more trend lines here, and let me just show you another one, which is the parallel channel. Now this one is actually really good for the market structure. As you can see here, I'm just gonna do it more quickly. We got respected here on the bottom of the trend line. The market bounced and tested the middle line here. We got some resistance here, and we pumped to the upper side, the upper trend line, and got rejected and dumped to the bottom of the trend line. As you can see how the price is moving in a particular channel, right? So let's see what happens here. If the market breaks this trend line, we're gonna retest it later and dump to this level, as I said. But what if we get retested here? And what if we get respected here? We're gonna see more upside in the market to the middle line or to the upside, which is around $39,000. So that's about the trend line section. We have a lot of trend lines. You can search it by your own. I'm just gonna show you the basic trend lines we have here. Now, the third one we have is patterns. You can use whatever pattern you want. For now, it is a lot complicated for you to understand the patterns. We're gonna be using patterns in the next couple of videos. So let's just skip this. So just below the trend line section, we have a Fibonacci level. So how Fibonacci level works, if you are level to level trader, so Fibonacci basically works best for you. Let me just show you how you can draw the Fibonacci level. So there you go. As you can see, we have the bottom here, and this market to the top. And as you can see how we got respected here on the Fibonacci level. We got the Fibonacci level on the bottom, which is Fibonacci level on the 1, Fibonacci level 0.786, and so on. And as you can see how the market is moving, right? Level to level, as I said, level to level here in the Fibonacci section. Here, as you can see, we got the beautiful pump in the Bitcoin. We went through the 0.618 level to 0.236 level. Alright, so this is how the Fibonacci level works, and this is how you draw a Fibonacci on your trading view. And another one, we have a geometric portion, right? So you can use brush, highlighter, you can use rectangle. Rectangles are basically used to draw support and resistance. Support and resistance are basically supports are basically where market finds support and bounce back, and basically resistance is the area where price suffers. And if we break through the resistance, so the resistance will be support. And but what if we get rejected by the resistance? So price will likely to hit the resistance and go to the downside. All right. So let me just quickly draw the support here. As you can see, it was the support here. The market went up and down, tested the support, and bounced back. So this is how the support and resistance work, and rectangles are mostly used to draw supports and resistance. So the next one we have is the text section. You can basically use text and notes on your chart for the better understanding of you, or if you are sharing your chart with your friend, so it would be better for them what you have drawn on the chart, what you have analyzed on the chart. You can use the text whatever you want. So yeah, that's about it. It was just a quick introduction regarding the trading view, and I just told you about every single tool in the trading view. So in the next video, when I'm gonna be using tools, so you will be familiar about that. And yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna be talking about market structure, how market work, how you can actually place your order in the market. So hope you guys like my today's video. If you do, so make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, what you guys think about technical analysis? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.